Yes. Now the third one is 2 star 3. Third one, 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. 2 star 3 is 1. 4 star 5 is 1. 1 star 1 is 1. Because 2 star 3 is 1, 4 star 5 is also 1. 1 star 1 is again 1. This one is also over. Next problem. Problem number 4th one. Define binary operation. Define binary operation star from n cross n to n, set of natural numbers, n cross n to n, defined by a comma b star c comma d, because n cross n means ordered pair of number. Two ordered pair of numbers now. A comma b star c comma d equal to a plus c comma b plus d. This is the binary operation. Now, whether it is commutative, whether it is associative, let me take this. A comma b star c comma d. If it is commutative, you must get c comma d star a comma b. They are equal. Let me start with this. Equal to a plus c b plus d, according to the definition. But addition in a natural number is commutative. No doubt you can write c plus a, this one as d plus b. Because in n, commutative property holds. Commutative property holds. So you can interchange the number, no doubt. But according to the definition, this is c comma d star c comma d star a comma b. Starting with the a comma b star cd, c comma d star a b we get. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. Instead of two elements, you have two ordered pair, that's all. Now associative, do it carefully. Associative property. Associative property, starting with this, second one is associative. A comma b star c comma d star a b c d e comma f. Three elements. A star b star c equal to, first let me simplify this. A plus c b plus d star e comma f. Next, again ordered pair you can add a plus c plus e b plus d plus f. By definition, again plus is associative. Associative property holds good in which set n? In n, set of natural numbers. Therefore, you can write this one as A plus C plus E, no doubt. B plus D plus F, because associative property is satisfied in N. Now, this can be written as A, comma B star C plus E D plus F. Or finally, A, comma B star C, comma D star E, comma F. Therefore, star is associative. Star is associative. Next problem. Problem number 6. On R minus 1, excluding minus 1 from the set of real numbers, binary operation is defined like this: A star B equal to A by B plus 1. Show that star is neither commutative nor associative. Both are not satisfied. Okay, let me start with this. A star B equal to A by B plus 1. B star A equal to B by A plus 1. These two are surely not equal, no doubt. A star B is not equal to B star A. Star is not commutative. Again, associative. A star B star C equal to A by B plus 1 star C. A by B plus 1 star C. First number divided by other number plus 1. First number A by B plus 1 divided by other number plus 1. A star B star C equal to A star first number divided by other number plus 1. First number divided by other number plus 1. These two are not equal, or otherwise let me confirm it. A by B plus 1 into C plus 1 here. Here A by B plus C plus 1 divided by C plus 1. A into C plus 1 divided by B plus C plus 1. Whatever may be, they are not equal, that's all. So, star is not associative. Since they are not equal, associative property also fails. So, neither commutative nor associative. Problem number next, 7th one. If A star B equal to A plus B minus 2 in Z, find identity element and also inverse of 5. Inverse of 5. Binary operation is given like this: A plus B minus 2, combining two elements. Now the thing is not to find whether it is commutative or associative. Now the problem is to find identity element, identity property, third one. So there exists an element such that identity means, let me write the definition. Identity E means A star E equal to E star A equal to A. You combine any element with that identity, you get the same element. That is the property, identity. So let me find whether it is possible. A star E equal to, A star E equal to, according to this, A plus E minus 2. Again see here, if this B is taken as identity, A star E equal to A plus B instead of B identity minus 2. But A star E is actually A, here it is. But A star E equal to A. Therefore, A equal to A plus E minus 2. A star E, compare these two. A equal to A plus E minus 2. Or A cancels, E equal to 2. Identity element under this binary operation is 2. Identity element of this binary operation is 2. Therefore, identity of star is 2. Now another question, see. Also find the inverse of 5. That means 5 star, which number? We don't know that. Is identity. Inverse means what? See, A star B equal to E. Then B is called inverse of A, denoted by A inverse. Remember this. A star B, if it is identity, then B is called inverse of this. Inverse of 5 is 1 by 5 because the product is identity 1. Inverse of 7 is minus 7 because the product means here is sum is identity 0. Like this, find the inverse of 5. That means find x such that 5 star x equal to identity. But 5 star x is already known. It is 5 plus x minus 2. A star B always A plus B minus 2. Sum of these two numbers minus 2. Comparing both the equations, you get 5 plus x minus 2 equal to identity. Identity already we got 2. Or 5 plus x equal to 4. X equal to 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 means minus 1. So inverse of the element. Therefore, inverse of 5 is minus 1. Inverse of 5 is minus 1. How to verify that one? You combine that element with the inverse. You must get the identity too. Combine 5 star, its inverse is minus 1. What you get? 5 plus minus 1 minus 2 according to the definition. A plus B minus 2. 5 minus 1, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Actually 2 is the identity, see. So minus 1 is inverse of 5 because we get product equal to identity. Anyway, this one is the verification. 8th one is just similar to that one. See here, you have to find that if A star B equal to AB by 11, AB by 11 in Q. Q means set of all rational numbers. Find identity. Same question. Identity of binary operation star. And inverse of, here also you have to find the inverse of 7. Yes, similar type of problem to the previous one. First thing is how to find identity. A star B is given. Let me write the formula first. AB by 11. Now you have to find the identity. A star E equal to AE by 11. AE by 11. But A star E equal to A. It is a property of the identity. A star E equal to A. Compare these two. A equal to AE by 11, or identity element is 11. 11 is the identity element under this binary operation. Now inverse. Find the inverse of 7 question. 7 star X equal to identity. How to find inverse? 7 star X is identity. Then X is called inverse of this. 7 star X means 7X by A star B equal to AB by 11. But it should be identity. Identity is already we got 11. Therefore, 7X by 11 should be equal to 11. 7X equal to 121. 11 into 11. X is 121 by 7. This is the inverse of the element 7. Therefore, inverse of 7 under binary operation star is 121 by 7. Next problem is problem number 8th one. Find all 1 onto functions from S equal to 1 to 3 to itself. Find all possible 1 onto functions from S 1 to 3 to itself. Let me write like this. Instead of drawing the figure, F is the first function. It is defined, let me write like this. 1 can be given to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. Find all possible 1. So first one is written. Another one you can imagine. 1, 2, 3. 1 is 1. This one is interchanged. One more we get. 1 and on to function. H equal to 1, 2. 2 to 2. 2 to 1, 3. Write all the possible functions carefully. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2. One, two, 3, 3, 2, 1. Mostly over. Actually, it is called a permutation function. If it contains 3 elements, 3 factorial, 6 functions, only this. Total number of possible functions, only 6. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1, 6. So all the 6 are written. Find all 1 1 onto function from itself over. These are the functions. Right? Next one is find all possible 1 1 onto functions. Find all possible 1 1 onto functions from s equal to 1 2 on itself. Draw a chart or table for A star B equal to A composite B. Let me write that. Where composite functions, binary operation from set of S cross S to S. Anyway, let me find chart for this one where this represent composite functions. First of all, let me obtain all possible functions. 1, 2. Now only 2 elements are there, 1 and 2. First function is 1, 2. Another function is G, 1, 2, 2, 1 over only this one, 2 factorial. Now, composite function, you draw the chart. Composite function, F and G. F and G. F is actually identity function. Just to see that 1 to 1, 2 to 2 is identity. So if you combine identity function with any other function, you get the same function, no doubt, because it is identity. G composite F again G. What about G composite G? What about G composite G? G composite G, let us find it. G composite G of 1, G composite G of 2. Let me find the elements of this. All other remaining elements are known because they are combining with the identity function, same function. Only the problem is to find G composite G. It is G of 1. G of 1 is 2. Again, 2 of 1. G of 2. G of 2 is 1. Again G of 2. 1 is taken over to 1, 2 is taken over to 2. It is function F. G composite G, if you find it, is actually identity function. Now, you can observe that this composite of the function is a binary operation. Clearly, all the elements in the table are members of the set. Of the set, which set? Members of the set A equal to Fg. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Binary operation. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Now, commutative property, I told you to verify it. Elements in the table are symmetric. Elements in the table are symmetric about the principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. About the principal diagonal. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. I told you to verify this one easily. In the chart, if the elements are symmetric about the principal diagonal, then immediately we can write commutative property satisfied. Identity element, can you note that one? Identity element is identity element means identity function with which you combine any other function. Any other function means there is only one extra function. Combine that, you get the function g itself. Therefore, identity element is f. And can you find inverses? Inverse of. That means take any function. Any function means only two functions, f and g. F composite, which function is f? F composite, f is f. So f is the inverse of f. Inverse of f is f. Since f composite f equal to f. Inverse of g is g, because g composite g equal to f. Small chart, it satisfies. Actually here one more property is there, associative. It is trivial. Whenever this commutative property and remaining are satisfied, clearly you can observe that associative property also satisfied, since it contains only two elements. So this one is the property of this permutation function. Next one. The identity element in this particular is unique. How to show that? Show that identity element is unique in any binary operation. That identity element is there, no? It is always unique. How to show that it is unique? Let us prove it by contradictory method. Let E and E dash are two identity elements. Actually, it is not possible. In a single set, there can have only one identity element. But we are proving it by contradictory method. E and E dash are two identity elements. Therefore, A star E, E star A star E equal to E star A equal to A for every A belongs to A. A star E dash star A equal to A for every A belongs to A. Why? Because both are identity elements, you see. They satisfy the identity property. Now, actually I have to prove this identity element is unique. Let me take E equal to identity element E equal to A star E equal to E star A equal to A for every A belongs to A. Considering E as the identity element. A star E dash star A is also equal to A, considering E dash as the identity element. Now in the first equation, this E dash is one of the elements in the place of A. Therefore, put A equal to E dash in the first equation. So you get E dash star E equal to E dash star E dash equal to, in the place of A put E dash. Considering E dash as the identity element, A is some other element, any other element. So in that place you take E. Put A equal to E in the second equation. You get E star, E dash star E equal to E. 3 and 4 are same. 3 is exactly equal to 4. Therefore, E dash equal to E. Identity element is unique. Identity element is unique. So these are the properties of binary operation. Thank you, students.